ready to get your story into the hands of thousands of readers worldwide. This is your definitive guide to publishing your book on Inkitt, step by step. First, let's get your manuscript ready. Inkitt prefers your story to be uploaded as a complete work, or in chapters. Ensure your text is clean, well-edited, and consistently formatted. Think standard font sizes and clear paragraph breaks. Now for your cover. This is the first impression, so make it count. Your cover should be eye-catching, reflective of your genre, and high-resolution. Aim for dimensions suitable for digital display, typically around 1024 pixels wide by 1600 pixels tall. Once your manuscript and cover are polished, head over to Inkitt and log in. Look for the Upload or Add Book option. You'll then be prompted to fill in your book's crucial details, a compelling title, the most fitting genre from their list, and a captivating description that hooks potential readers. Choosing the right genre is vital for discoverability. Spend time crafting a description that highlights your story's unique selling points. Think of it as your book's elevator pitch. Next, upload your prepared manuscript file. Inkitt supports common document formats. Then, upload your finalized book cover image. Double-check everything is uploaded correctly before proceeding. Before hitting that Publish button, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Ensure your title, description, genre, and cover are exactly as you intend. When you're absolutely sure, click Publish, and your story is officially live on Inkitt, ready to be discovered.